Good Easter Sunday morning to you. I'm Meteorologist Ryan Hoke with the latest edition of this Hokey video blog. I hope you're enjoying this Easter Sunday morning. It is just absolutely beautiful out there. Temperatures, as of this recording, in the lower 50s to upper 40s. So yeah, that's a little chilly, but it gets even better this afternoon when we start talking about 80s for high temperatures. That's going to be very nice. Let's talk about some colder weather first. On today's Hokey Weather Fact, we're talking about weather so cold in parts of Siberia in Russia that milk is sold in frozen blocks. This is absolutely during the winter time. During the summer, a lot nicer than the winter for sure. But can you imagine that? Going to the store and picking up milk in frozen blocks like that. Just incredible, isn't it? Well, incredible this morning is our weather outside. Check out the Fifth Third Bank SkyTrack camera from Paoli, Indiana. You see some of those high-level cirrus clouds, some of those jet contrails. Overall, a beautiful morning, and this is only a preview of coming events for this afternoon in terms of our weather. You can see some of those clouds there on the infrared satellite view just underneath our Storm Tracker 3D radar, which is not, by the way, picking up on any rainfall, and it shouldn't be, because to our south and west is high pressure. This high pressure over the Jackson, Tennessee area will be influencing our weather as we go throughout later today, because the flow around high pressure is clockwise. This clockwise flow means that you've got southerly flow on the western side of this. Well, as this area of high pressure moves eastward, we'll become entrenched in this zone of southerly flow here, and that means much warmer weather drawing itself up from the Gulf of Mexico. You'll see the area of low pressure, though, off the coast of Charleston, South Carolina. Yeah, look at that thing. It's spinning around at a pretty good pace out there. And thankfully, that'll be keeping itself off the coast, and we won't be seeing anywhere in the near term of rainfall or anything like that. It's going to be very nice as we head throughout today and really for most of tomorrow. But there is a little bit of a fly in the ointment that we'll talk about here in just a second. So for today, we get up to 81 degrees. Can you believe that? 80s on Easter. Just beautiful out there. 72 already by noontime. Plenty of sunshine. You'll notice, though, we add in a few clouds as we go throughout 4 o'clock, and that's because of a little front that'll be trying to make its run toward Kentuckiana. But overall, just spreading a few of those clouds and no rainfall. In fact, if you're grilling out this afternoon, I know my family has a tradition of hosting a big cookout during Easter and a big Easter egg hunt. Well, it can't get any better than this. 5 o'clock, 81 degrees. By 9 o'clock, we're still in the lower 70s. So a jacket won't be required if you're out there grilling out. We've given it a green light across the board with mostly sunny to sunny skies during that time frame. Here's our next cold front of consequence that we will be seeing moving through by Monday at 5:30. Here come the showers. They begin entering the western part of the area. There's been some debate as to how early or how late this will happen. Futurecast dumps out about 5:30. I think that might be a touch early. I think it'll be more toward 6 or 7 o'clock. But at this point, I think that's a decent estimate, at least by all standards. But we've got the cold front still to our west, and that's a sign of things to come as more showers filter on through during the night. You'll notice that they're not terribly heavy as we go into Tuesday morning. That's good news for commuters trying to get to work, or say around 6, 7, 8 o'clock on your Tuesday morning. No real big problems expected there, and no problems from flash flooding or anything like that, because there's just not enough moisture coming up from the Gulf of Mexico to really make a dent in that rainfall for us to really get the rainfall ramped up to a point where we would be worried about something like that. Behind the cold front, though, is cooler air. That's why it's a cold front. But it's not going to be all that cold. We'll get low temperatures down into the 40s as we go into your Wednesday morning and your Thursday morning. But high temperatures behind this cold front, they really don't dip much. Check this out. In fact, as we go throughout the week, we see temperatures only get down to 70 for our lowest high temperature. That's it. We're in the mid to upper 70s the rest of the time, with 73 on your Tuesday, and we're up to 77 once again. Quite the recovery there by your Thursday. That does mean another chance for rain with another cold front as we go Thursday night into early Friday morning. Again, that doesn't look too heavy at this point, but it's something we'll watch through the week. Overall, absolutely gorgeous week expected. There are signs that May could be a little more active than what we're seeing now in terms of storms and cold fronts coming through. We'll attack that as we come to it, but just keep in the back of your head that this kind of a weather pattern, while very nice for this time of year, may not last for too long. The temperatures will be warming up, but the lack of storms is something that will have to definitely change up, though, unfortunately, as we go into the month of May. That's it for now. Everybody have a great Easter Sunday, and I'll see you back here as we go into your Saturday morning. Have a great day.